Eoan Business Consultant is a consulting firm based in Nigeria that offers business startup, business plan, business scale, business growth, business coaching, and stock markets. We provide entrepreneurs with realistic and executable recommendations to help them make the best decisions for the successful growth of their business. Track record of improving inventory management efficiencies. Able to find any and all leaks to client bottom line. Always on time, always under budget. We specialized in small businesses and medium enterprises. Our purpose is to solve the poverty problem in Africa.
Eoan Business Consultant are also experts in small business consulting, business management, financial management, projects management, stock market, and coaching. For further information